Guys, howling of fertilizers as part of our work. So we brought these fertilizers from our station to Cantilan to be applied in um, the rice fields here for our technology demonstrations of best technologies in Caraga region in the Philippines. So fertilizers are being brought in a secure place. Okay. So now the second one. So Warren, the guy who's carrying the fertilizer, one bag of fertilizer is such a strong man. He can carry 50 kilos in just one go. That's the second bag, and this is the house of the farmer, and this is the rice field. Okay, the third one. Ooh, it's very strong. This is what he's carrying is the urea fertilizer which contains nitrogen. That's the yellow bag. And the white bag is the complete fertilizer which has nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And the fourth one, such a strong guy. And it's done. Okay, goodbye.